The school opened in September 2010. The problem with the old technology that we were using was that short throw projectors were beginning to come to the end of their life, and we had to look to find a way of replacing them. Sharp were our partners with our printing devices, and we got introduced to the Big Pad that way.
Big Pad is an interactive large screen. To the children it looks like a TV. You can open documents on there. If there are pupils who do have a visual impairment, they can zoom in and out on a particular aspect of the work, and the connectivity between the tablet and the software on the walls is really good. There's a freeze button, which is the bit that I found particularly good about the Big Pad.
My first impressions of the Big Pad were it was really quick. There was no lag. Everything was very slick. The tools were in a really nice position. A really big selling point for me was the fact that I can bring the tools to myself on the board and not have to rely on a strip across the top of the screen.
Members of staff got a number of boards in on a week trial, not just Sharp boards but other boards as well. They came to the conclusion that the best board for us was the Sharp Big Pad. The installation has had to be organised so it is completely away from our core purpose of teaching and learning, so the pupils have not been affected in any way whatsoever. It's worked like clockwork.
I'm not going to be waiting to calibrate, installing software or installing drivers. It just plugs in and I'm off. I love the idea of handwriting recognition. My writing isn't fantastic and then suddenly it becomes Calibri and readable by everybody. In my opinion, this is the best thing out there. Credit to our technical team and the research they put into finding the solution.
Image quality is very good. It's HD, everything is very sharp, very, very clear, and I just think it's absolutely fantastic.
It's just knowing it's going to work, and it's knowing that I'm going to walk into the classroom, plug 2 wires in, and I'm off.
The experience of working with Sharp has been extremely smooth. It's been very professional, and it allowed us to move quite quickly on a solution that could have taken a long time to implement.
We haven't found anything better, and I'd challenge people to try and find something better than the Big Pad.